Now next topics is limits of trigonometric function. Standard results. What is the standard results? Limit theta tends to 0 sin theta is equal to 0. Limit theta tends to 0 cos theta is equal to 1. So what is happening here? If let this is x and y. So in this is theta, and here let choose any point P and draw perpendicular to PM perpendicular to OX. So as now what is here? Sin theta is equal to PM by OP and cos theta is equal to OM by OP. अब यसमा के हुन्छ भने suppose if we decrease the value of PM, that is here, then here, then here, then finally P goes to very close to M. So in this case PM is nearly equals to 0, that is, and as PM goes to very close to M and theta goes to, theta will be very small, theta is small. So in this case sin theta directly give the value 0 as theta tends to 0. Theta tends to 0. So what will about? So now OP and OM, OM and OP, as theta tends to very small, that is tends to very small, in this situation OP and OM will be equal. So in this case this gives the value of 1. So limit theta tends to 0 sin theta is equal to 0 and limit theta tends to 0 cos theta is equal to 1. Now next, limit theta tends to alpha is equal to sin theta is equal to sin alpha. So here put theta is equal to alpha plus h. What we put? Theta is equal to, this theta is equal to alpha plus h, so that when theta tends to alpha, now if it will alpha, then this alpha and this alpha cancel out. So in this situation theta tends to 0. So now limit theta tends to alpha sin theta is equal to h tends to 0 and replace this theta by alpha plus h. Replace this theta by alpha plus h, मतलब थीटा को सट्टोमा अल्फा प्लस एच राख्ने. we know that so this is the sum of the function. So in this situation sin alpha will be constant. So sin alpha लाई के गर्ने? बाहिर निकाल्ने. So limit h tends to 0 cos h, यहाँ cos alpha लाई के गर्ने? बाहिर निकाल्ने. limit h tends to 0 sin h. So we have already discussed that sin theta limit h tends to 0 sin theta हुँदाखेरि 0 हुन्छ. limit theta tends to 0 cos theta is equal to 1 हुन्छ. So now here sin alpha is constant, so it will remain constant. So here is h tends to 0 and cos h. So h tends to 0 and cos h हुँदाखेरि h को भ्यालु के हुन्छ त 1 प्लस cos alpha into sin h and tends to 0 हुँदाखेरि के हुन्छ 0 हुन्छ. सो यो के हुन्छ 0 गएर क्यान्सल आउट हुन्छ. सो sin alpha आउँछ फाइनली. therefore we can say that limit theta tends to alpha sin theta is equal to sin alpha हुन्छ. Next there is a सम थ्योरी थ्योरम के रहेको छ भने लिमिट थीटा टेन्स टु 0 लिमिट थीटा टेन्स टु 0 हुँदाखेरि लिमिट थीटा टेन्स टु 0 साइन थीटा बाई थीटा इज इक्वल टु 1 वेयर अर्थात् लिमिट थीटा टेन्स टु 0 हुँदा साइन थीटा बाई थीटा इज इक्वल टु 1 हुन्छ भने प्रमाणित गर्नुहोस्। सो वेयर थीटा इज मेजर्ड इन रेडियन हेयर थीटा जुन हो थीटाको भ्यालु रेडियनमा हुनुपर्छ। यसको लागि के गर्ने लेट एबीसी बी अ सर्कल एन्ड आर इज द रेडियस दैट इज ओए ओपी आर द रेडियस हियर ओपी आर द रेडियस and AP arc and arc and theta is subtended angle that is this theta is subtended angle and PQ or tangent at a point which meets at Q of produced line of AB यो BA को produced line को Q मा हैन Q अनि यो tangent Q मा भेट्छ। सो ड्रो अ पिआर परपेन्डिकुलर टु बिए एउटा लाइन पीबाट यो टेन्जेन्ट पोइन्टबाट बिएमा के गर्ने त परपेन्डिकुलर तान्ने। अब यही सर्कललाई हेर्ने यसमा यसको एरियाको कस्तो कस्तो हुन्छ भने यस्तो सिचुएसनमा देन नाउ के हुन्छ त व्हाट विल ह्यापन एरिया अफ triangle OPA that is OP what triangle sorry here arc is missing sub chord this is chord. So now area of triangle OPA area of triangle this triangle OPA should be less than or equal to area of sector OAP and now this area is including this small part and area of triangle is just only this line okay and area of sector भनेपछि यो पुरै यो including curve line or circle line this is the area of sector OAP and should be or less than equal to what area of triangle OPQ OP and this Q okay this is the perpendicular and this is also perpendicular. So area of triangle OP and Q this triangle. So now so area of triangle OPA is equal to half of base into h b into h so half of तो half b भनेको के हो त this is OA and this is h that is PR so that it will give half of r square sin theta that is here OA is r and PR is so this is theta and this is perpendicular this is h and this is p so sin theta is equal to p by h that is p is equal to r sin theta. Again area of sector area of sector OAP is equal to के हुन्छ half of r square theta that is यसमा कस्तो हो भने मान लो 2 पाई हुँदाखेरि r स्क्वायर हुन्छ हैन सो हाफ अफ r स्क्वायर थीटा सो दिस विल बी हाफ सो फुल सर्कल को कति आउँछ त पाई r स्क्वायर हुन्छ कि हुँदैन त्यसैले यदि स्मल थीटा छ भने यो थीटा इज इन रेडियन, सो 1/2 r square theta. Again, area of triangle. Now area of triangle OPQ is equal to half of OP into PQ. Half of OP. OP is perpendicular, and where is the base? Base is PQ, that is this B into P, so base. So OP is equal to half r square tan theta. Here OP is equal to r and PQ is equal to r tan theta. So here tan theta is equal to P by B. So this is P, PQ is P, and OP is B. So tan theta is equal to PQ बटे OP. So PQ is equal to R tan theta. Now substituting the values in the above, therefore we can write half r square sin theta less than or equal to half r square theta less than or equal to half r square tan theta. So now dividing with r square or taking common r square sin theta or half r square sin theta, so we get or if we divide half r square sin theta, here half r square sin theta, and here half r square tan theta after dividing, so we get 1 less than or equal to theta by sin theta less than or equal to half cos theta. Now if we reverse, so here nothing, so 1 by 1 we can write 1 is greater than or equal to sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta should be greater than or equal to 1 by cos theta, so this is inverse cos theta. Now taking limit, so limit theta tends to 0, or so limit theta tends to 0 is equal to 1 is greater than or equal to limit theta tends to 0 sin theta is by divided by theta should be greater than or equal to limit theta tends to 0 cos theta, or so 1, so limiting value, so there is no variable, so this will directly give you 1 less than or equal to limit theta tends to 0, so sin theta divided by theta is equal to 1. So this value, so when limit tends to 0 cos theta is 1. So what do we see here? 1 is greater than or equal to limit tends to theta, and sin theta by theta is greater than or equal to 1. यो 1 भन्दा सानो पनि हो र 1 भन्दा ठुलो पनि हो. सो यो सानो ठुलो त हुन सक्दैन 1 भन्दा एकै टाइममा, एट अ वन्स टाइम. इट नेभर बी ग्रेटर और लेसर. सो दिस मस्ट बी इक्वल. देयरफोर यो के भनिरहेछ कि 1 भन्दा ठुलो वा के अरे 1 भन्दा ठुलो यो लिमिट जुन हुन्छ 1 भन्दा ठुलो र बराबर सानो पनि हुन सक्छ। यसमा के भनिरहेको छ भने यो 1 भन्दा ठुलो र यो सानो पनि बराबर पनि हुन सक्छ। सो यो सानो ठुलो केही हुँदैन। यसको अर्थ के हुन्छ भने यो डाइरेक्टली थीटा लिमिट टेन्ड्स टु 0 इक्वल टु साइन थीटा डिभाइडेड बाई थीटा इक्वल टु 1 नै हुन्छ, त्यो बुझ्नुपर्छ। दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर्मुला which helps you in numerical problem. Okay. Limits of logarithmic and exponential function or equal e is equal to, we have already know that n tends to infinity हुँदाखेरि यदि यो फर्ममा छ भने so this will give you e. so यसमा के भइरहेको छ भने अब now if put n is equal to 1 by h so that as n tends to infinity h tends to 0, that is so h will be 1 by n. As n tends to infinity this will be 0, h tends to 0. So then limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n is equal to n to the power n. So h limit h tends to 0 and 1 by n is replaced by h and n is replaced by 1 by h. So this will be the value of e. यसमा के हेर्न सकिन्छ भने if we put 1 plus 0 to the power infinity भइरहेछ जसको भ्यालु e हुन्छ। यसमा पनि यो h tends to 0 and 1 by h tends to 0, 1 by 0 भनेपछि infinity। यसमा पनि 1 by n tends to 0 and this n tends to infinity, so both are the same results, that is 1 plus 0 infinity to the, यदि 1 plus 0 आइरहेछ 1 plus 0 अनि यसको पावर इन्फिनिटी आइरहेछ भने यसले e को भ्यालु दिन्छ। नाउ सम स्ट्यान्डर्ड रिजल्ट्स लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु 0 log 1 plus x divided by x. So limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus x by x can be written as limit x to the limit x tends to 0 1 by x to the power log 1 plus x. If any value n and this is log x, so it can be written as log x to the power n. So here is coefficient is 1 by x, so this can be written in the power of 1 plus x, that is 1 by x. Now log limit x tends to 0 1 plus x to the power 1 by x, so this is the form of 1 plus 0. So here 1, what is this 1 plus 0 and to the power infinity, that will give, so this is the base log e, so this will give you 1, that is log e natural log, that will give you 1. Now next limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 1. यदि यस्तो फर्ममा कुनै फंक्सन छ भने त्यसको लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु 0 छ भने त्यसको भ्यालु कति हुन्छ 1 हुन्छ। यसको लागि के गर्ने पुट e to the power x minus 1 is equal to y, then e to the power x is equal to, अब यो 1 लाई उता लाग्दाखेरि के हुन्छ प्लस, so e to the power x is equal to 1 plus y and x is equal to log 1 plus x, that is taking log on both sides, that is e to the power x is equal to 1 plus y. If we take log on both sides, e to the power x is equal to log 1 plus y, so this is the power, so x log base e, that is it will give you 1, that is 1 x is equal to log 1 plus y, that is log 1 plus y after taking log. So now so that when we x is equal to 0, so any to the power, any number power has 0, then this directly give 1, that is e to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus y will give you 1 is equal to 1 plus y, that is y is equal to y tends to 0 or equal to 0. So this therefore when x tends to 0, y tends to 0. Now limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to y limit x tends to 0, y divided by log 1 plus y. So this function can be written as 1 whole to the power limit whole to the power y limit tends to 0, 1 by log 1 plus x. So this is the also form of same like log 1 plus x divided by x. So this is directly give you 1, so that is 1. Therefore limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 1. This is also a type of formula. Now limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 divided by x is give you log a. So for this let put a to the power x minus y x minus 1 is equal to y, then ax is equal to 1 plus y, which implies x log a is equal to log 1 plus y. So here also if a to the power x is equal to 1 plus y, taking log on both sides, so log a to the power x is equal to log 1 plus y. So this is the power form, so power will be come out as a coefficient, so log a is equal to log 1 plus y. So now this log, so this x log a is equal to log 1 plus y, and x is replaced by log 1 plus y divided by log a, so that when x tends to 0, as a previous x tends to 0, that is x, if we put x is equal to 0 and this will be 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, so y is also tends to 0. Now limit x tends to 0, so a to the power x minus 1 is replaced by y, so a to the power x minus 1 को सट्टा में y रखने. Here we have already find the value of x, that is log 1 plus y divided log a. So x is replaced by log 1 plus y divided by log a again. Now this is in the denominator, and so this function can be written as so this is constant, so log a limit y tends to 0 and y divided by log 1 plus y. So again log a is equal to 1 divided by limit y tends to 0 log 1 plus y divided by y. So now this whole function will give you 1, so this is 1, this is log a. Therefore limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log a is the required formula or answer. Now some collections from this chapter. Limit x tends to theta tends to 0, sin theta is equal to 0, theta tends to 0, cos theta is equal to 1, theta limit theta tends to alpha, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, and again limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta, theta is in radian, limit theta tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h 1 by h is equal to e. So limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x divided by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus x is equal to log a. So all points to be so for the exercise these all formulas should be in mind. In the next video, I will discuss some problems based on these formulas.